So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is Cloud Run Canary deployment. So this will be a step-by-step guide. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So first step is that you need to click on Start Lab, and now wait for some time. Just open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now here for this lab particularly we need a GitHub account. If you don't have a GitHub account, you need to create it. So you have to just create a new GitHub account, and if you have already a GitHub account, just sign in. Click on the sign in and sign in like this. I will show you. I already have a GitHub account, so I am signing in over here. So how you have to sign in? You have to just click on sign in, enter the username and password, and just click on sign in. And if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you have to just check it out. Now what many people are facing error, I will tell you how you can get it fixed. Now click on I understand and wait for the Cloud Console to fully open. Now here it is taking some time, so let me show you. In case you have already started this lab and faced the issue, now you have to delete the existing repository. So how you have to do? No need to worry, just click on your profile icon. Make sure you are signed into your GitHub account. Now click on your repository. Now here Cloud Run Progression, click over it. Now here click on the settings option. You can see here settings is there. Now here just scroll down and at the bottom you can see delete this repository. Just click on I want to delete and I have to delete. Basically you have read and just copy from here to here the repository name and just paste over here and click on delete this repository. Now you can just proceed to the lab instruction. Make sure you have to do only this step in case you have already completed this lab and is facing issue. If you are not facing issue, just start the lab from here and make sure you have created your GitHub account. Now activate the Cloud Shell like this, and here basically you have to click on continue and authorize yourself. Do not worry, the complete step-by-step guide is here to help you learn about cloud computing. Now click on authorize. It will take few seconds, so just wait for it. Here it's taking some time, so wait for it. Now finally the Cloud Shell is activated. Now the first thing is that we have to just, let me increase the font size because many of you are doing with mobile phone, so it will be easier for you. Now first thing is that we have to just prepare our environment and set it. Basically we have to export the project ID, project number and region. Now once you have set the values, basically exported the region and this thing, the next step is that we have to just enable all the APIs. So just paste over here and this command will enable all the APIs and services. So wait for some time. Now once it gets enabled, the next step is that we have to enable some permissions for creating these repositories and basically for modifying the files also. First we need to activate the service manager admin role. Basically we have to add this service manager admin role, so just paste over here, and if you get any kind of error, just rerun this command. Now run this curl command. Now basically we'll be signing in the GitHub account. If you have created, then no need to worry about it. Just now click on enter, basically hit enter button, and here we'll be signing into our personal GitHub account. Okay, just hit enter again. Now type Y and then hit enter. Now again hit enter, again one more time. Now here just click on this URL, just click with your mouse and you'll be redirected to the GitHub. If you have already signed, you have to just click on continue. If you want to use different account, use a different account, click on it. Now make sure you are signed into your GitHub account. Now here you have to enter the code. Now in some accounts, two-factor authentication is also enabled by default. In such cases, you have to enter the OTP which is being sent on your email. Now here we have to enter this code as the second code, basically the device ID code. So drag your mouse cursor from here to here and just leave your mouse button. Then it will show clip icon. Then you have to just click on continue. Okay, you have to just paste and click on continue and authorize. Now we are signed in to our Cloud Shell using our personal GitHub account. Now we can execute the next step. So just click on this. First of all, we'll create the repository that is named as Cloud Run-Progression. Now we will clone some files on it. So just run the clone command. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Once all the files are cloned, you can see here it is done. Now we have to do this thing. Okay, we have to use the command to copy the sample code to our repository. So just paste over here, and once this is done, we have to modify these three files: branch, master and tag, cloud build, YAML file. And here we have to just update the region. Now open the editor. Basically in this task we have to update the region for all the three files. If the region is same as per the lab instruction, you do not need to update the region. By default here your central one is available. Now let me show you how you have to open. You have to click on this arrow and you can see all the files are available here. So now just open each file one by one. Now here you have to just copy this region. Always check the region as per lab instruction. Okay. Now here copy the region from here. Just scroll down over here and you can see the region. Just replace the region like this. Okay, once you have updated the region, now come to the master file. Again, update the region. In case the region is same as per your lab instruction, first of all, make sure to check the region. Then, if it's same, do not update it. And if you want, you can update it like this. Okay, if it's different. Now just follow the way I'm doing and you'll definitely get the score without any issue. Now once all things are updated, just click on save. Now come back to the terminal, open terminal over here, just click on it. Okay, click on it once you have saved. Now come back to the lab instruction and here we have to just run the set command. Okay, once it's done, the next thing is that we have to initiate the GitHub repo. Basically, we are making our first commit in this repository. So it will take some time, so wait for it. Once it's done, we can check the score. You will definitely get the score without any issue. Now we have to create the Cloud Run service. Just paste over here. Now this creation will take some time, so wait for it. It may take 4 to 5 minutes or even lesser depending on the availability of resources. And by chance, if the kernel gets disconnected, basically the Cloud Shell, you have to just click on this reconnect button. And if it still does not respond, just reload the browser. I am saying in case you get this kind of error, if it's still running, no need to worry about it. Just wait. So once you see this kind of output, what you need to do, you need to just proceed to the next step of this lab. First of all, if you want to view the service URL, you will click on it. Now, even if you get the error or it's working, no need to worry about it. We can move forward to the next step. So the next step is the main thing which many of you are facing issue. So now let's check the score. If you check the score, you will get the score for this particular task. Now for enabling the dynamic developments, here you may face one kind of error and many of you are making mistakes while pasting the action URL. So when you will complete this step, here action URL, basically we have to authorize our GitHub account with the Cloud Shell account. Okay, basically with Google account to be more precise. You can see here action URL is here. You have not to click directly over here. You have to just paste the URL. You have to just click on your mouse cursor like this from here. Make sure there is no extra space. First of all, from here, just click and drag and leave your mouse cursor. Okay, you have to leave your mouse cursor until a click icon is shown. Now sometimes what happens, it does not get copied easily. In that case, you have to come over here again. Again from here, just drag your mouse cursor and leave your mouse click button. Now it will show clipboard icon. Now you can see when you will place it on a new tab and just hit enter, it will start to authorize yourself. Now select the Cloud Skills Boost account, basically the student ID, and once you see this page, you have to click on continue. Okay, you have to click on continue and it will show your GitHub account with the username. Basically, as you can see, it's showing my username. You have to just click over it. Just click over it patiently. Okay, you have to click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you can see you have connection has been successfully configured. Now what you can do, you can just initiate the next steps of this lab. Here they have clearly mentioned, do not copy this URL. Basically, do not click on this URL. Just copy like I have shown in this video. You have to just drag your mouse cursor and select. Now here we have to create a cloud build. So just run it. Now it is initiating the step and it is finally done. Now from the next step we have to set the trigger, and many of you are facing issues like you are saying the trigger is failing. So let me show you how you can verify the task is completed or not. First of all, let's do this. First of all, run this checkout command over here. Now once you have done, you have to just open the editor and view this. So basically we have to just modify the file first of all. Okay, then I will show you how you have to view the builds. So first of all, open the editor. It is taking some time, so wait for it. The file is open, it directly you will be redirected to the file. If it not, just follow the way I am doing. You have to just open the app.py and update the version. Click your mouse cursor over here and update from 0 to 1 depending on the lab version. It's showing here 1, then you have to select 1. If it shows 2, you have to just enter 2. Now after that, you have to just save the file and just open the terminal. Now the next step is that you have to run this command and it will initiate a build on cloud build. So how you have to view the build, do not worry, I will show you how you have to view the build. First of all, here you won't get the score because it is initiating the build. So how you have to view the build, I am showing you, just wait for a few seconds. Apart from this, if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed, do subscribe it and like the video. Now on the search box, type build. Here you can see cloud build and history option is saying. So here just click on it, just click on got it, and you'll be redirected to a new page. Okay, here basically we'll be viewing the cloud build history. Now here you can see the first build with which we have got the score has been successfully completed. First of all, let me remove this one. Okay, just remove this one and come back to the previous Cloud Shell session and then reconnect it. First of all, you can see the status is just being creation. Basically, it is in creation mode. So once it is created, you'll be able to get the score for that particular task. So you need to wait till it gets completed. Just like the bottom option, it will show success on the top. Okay, I hope you understand what I wanted to say. Just like this, it will show success on the top. Basically, checkbox. And if it's still rotating like this, what you can do, you can click over here, and sometimes what happens, it gets updated inside it, and sometimes it takes more time. You can see here successful is showing. Now you have to just click on check my progress. Now if you get any kind of error like it shows failed, then click on retry. You can see here. Now come over here and paste the next command over here. Now just run this command, again run the curl command. Now after that we have to run this trigger command. Now again just run this master command. and after that we'll be able to check the build again. Now here you can see here, if you get error you have to click on retry build. Now here these two builds are already ready. Now here another fresh build will be loaded soon. You need to wait for a few more seconds and it will start to initiate the build. So just wait for it. You can see first we have got 10 out of 20, and for 20 out of 20 wait for the build to initiate. You can see here the build is starting being created. You can click on it. Now here you can see here the build is working, basically running, and once it gets succeeded on the top, if you get any kind of error or failed issue, you have to just click on retry build over here only, and then you will be able to complete the lab. So just wait for this to complete. It may take 4 to 10 minutes depending on the lab, so you need to wait for it. Meanwhile, do like the video and subscribe the channel in case you haven't done yet. And for other skill badges and layup, you can check the description box of this video. And apart from this, if you want to become a facilitator too, you can check the video too also. So now it's taking a bit of time. Just wait for a few more minutes. Basically, you have to wait until it shows success status. Basically, succeeded or success status. So you can see it is showing successful. Now the build is successful. If you get error, you can see after build details is showing retry build, you have to click on it. Now we have to just move to the lab instructions and check the score and then initiate another command. And if you like the way I am solving this lab, do give a thumbs up and share my channel with your community members too. Now from here, just come to the lab instructions and check the score. Now we have to move to this step. Just from the 7 number, copy this cloud shell command and just come over here and paste it. Now again we have to review the endpoints. So just run this command and then just run the another one. So basically we have run these 3 commands, and the last command will just check the region, and it is just running like a curl command and it will just showing the version. Basically you can see we are getting the hello world output. To end this you have to just press Ctrl and C together. Now run the next command, that is build trigger. So you have to just run this command and then push the tags. So after that just run this to push the tag. Now again a new build will be created over here. Now I think this is the last build of this lab, and after that we'll be done with the lab. You can see currently the status is running. Wait till it gets succeeded, and once it's done we'll be done with the lab. It may take 4 to 5 minutes and even lesser depending on the availability of resources, as I said earlier on this lab only. Now once the status becomes successful, you have to move forward to the lab instruction and check the score. Apart from this, many of you face issue, then you have to just come back to you have to first of all retry all these steps. And if you again face this issue, just restart the lab and first of all delete the repository as I shown in the first part of this video. You can watch it and just delete it. Now you can see the status is successful and build is success. Now we'll check the score for the lab instruction and that particular task. Now just come to the lab instructions and check the score. You can see we have got 100 out of 100, and that's how we completed this lab.